Feeling one's oats, a dive into expressive language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, feeling one's oats. This expression is a colorful way to describe someone's behavior or feelings, and understanding it can add richness to your English conversations. Let's dive in and discover what this phrase truly means and how you can use it effectively. Feeling one's oats originates from the world of horses. When horses eat oats, they often become more energetic and spirited because oats are a high-energy food. This phrase metaphorically applies to people, suggesting that someone is feeling energetic, confident, or lively, much like a horse that has just been fed a good meal of oats. This expression is used to describe someone who is showing a burst of energy or confidence, perhaps behaving more boldly or assertively than usual. It's often used in a positive, playful context. For example, if a friend is particularly lively at a party, you might say, "Wow, you're really feeling your oats tonight." Let's look at some sentences to see how feeling one's oats can be used in everyday English. After getting a promotion, Jenna was feeling her oats and decided to take the lead on the new project. The kids were really feeling their oats after the sugar rush from the birthday cake. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from professional achievements to the simple exuberance of children. While feeling one's oats is quite specific, there are related phrases with similar meanings that you might hear. For instance, full of beans, or on cloud nine, can also describe someone who is energetic or extremely happy. Recognizing these variations can help you understand and enjoy the richness of the English language even more. I hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of the phrase, feeling one's oats, for you. English is full of vivid expressions that make it a lively and expressive language. Remember, learning these phrases not only helps you understand others better but also enriches your own speaking and writing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you're feeling your oats as you continue your journey with the English language.